Balancing housework and homework can feel like juggling flaming torches, but it's all about strategy. First, tackle housework in short bursts. Set a timer for 15 minutes and focus on one task, like tidying your desk or doing the dishes. This keeps your space organized and your mind clear for studying. Next, create a homework schedule. Break your assignments into manageable chunks. For example, if you have a big project, divide it into research, writing, and editing phases. This way, you won't feel overwhelmed and you can reward yourself with a quick house chore break in between. Also, consider combining tasks. Listen to educational podcasts while cleaning or review flashcards while folding laundry. This multitasking not only saves time but also reinforces your learning. Remember, a clean space can boost your focus, making your study sessions more productive. So, embrace the chaos and turn it into a productive routine.